Shampoo contains silk proteins and botanical extracts. Conditioner feature UV filters that protect hair from damaging rays. Silk therapy is ideal for all hair types. Biosilk kit comes with silk therapy shampoo, conditioner and serum as seen on TV. Keep your locks healthy and shiny with Biosilk hair care products. Top reviews from the United States. Worth it. The only thing that I didn't like is the static minute left in my hair. More stars. With the help of Biosilk my hair has grown so long in health. It has helped make every day into a good hair day. Plus I don't have to use tons on it, a dime size amount does a great job even though I have hair down to my waist.